Over here.
Can we go back?
Because I'm trying to go back that way.
Let's go back.
I'm trying to go that way too. I want to be there.
I'm ready to get out.
Oh!
Y'all gotta turn your lights off. I'm not gonna be able to get up here without falling.
Stop it.
Y'all, Caillou found a hole.
Caillou found a hole.
Calm down. I know, I'm just saying you're doing too much right now.
Oh, he said it's deep.
So go feet first. So go feet first.
What? He said dead end. Oh, he said it's a dead end.
So go the other way. Keep going. He said there's a tunnel leading up.
No! That's the third time I fell.
Guys, let Zara try.
So muddy.
Go Zara.
I might as well try.
Guys, Zara's trying the hole.
You gotta go over the stump thing.
We're gonna watch Zara go through the hole. Bye, Zara. Say bye.
If you look at
Bye, Zara. Never see you again.
Bye, Zara.
Wait, what's Zara doing?
Zara's going
It's
to
a really small hole, but it's like you're not.
Zara, you got that.
Oh.
I'm not gonna do that.
I'll go.
Who is it?
Why is everyone coming? Can they go in front?
Pineapple pizza. Yes, ma'am.
Are we not leaving? Like,
Who's trying to just pick the pineapple off the pizza?
You can't even taste it.
I don't want good confidence.
I was promised pizza.
Are you allergic to pineapple?
He said go over the thing. No. I found another hole.
Okay, you go, Caillou. Bye.
Don't be messed up. Tell Massive you gotta go over the little
Nice on you, Caillou. Hey.
Alsatian, where? Right there. To the left.
Where's Alsatian go? Oh.
Over here.
Hi.
I'm going in there.
Oh, this is fun.
How are you supposed to get up here?
I thought you didn't like.
Over here.
Oh, you just put your foot on that back wall.
This is the hole.
I accidentally said the F word under my breath.
No, I said.
I said your partner will give
My partner.
Because I can't see. GoPro. See for me.
That would be scary.
That's my butt she just did.
Oh, it is.
There's enough space for that. What we say?
You don't trust who?
Okay, now I said. Bro, it's right on my butt.
Shut up, Gibby.
Yeah, give me. Why are you over here? Side bow.
Still recording, by the way.
Side bow is fine.
Okay.
Wait for me, y'all. The people behind me.
Excuse you. Let go, man.
That way too?
You come in. You have to come this way now.
Yeah, he has to.
There's a path down that way and that way. Y'all choose your path. You got 3 options. There's one here and there's one over there.
I can't see. Be quiet.
I'm looking chilly.
Don't talk to alopecia like that.
I'll talk to alopecia.
Shut up.
Hold on. I'm gonna catch his ass.
Don't say
Let
that.
me get out of here first before you punch me.
Can y'all like stop?
You better run.
I'm not running from nothing. Where's she at?
Can we like? Why are you wearing stitch socks? Camera, get the stitch
I
socks.
can't see you. I want to punch on
Relax.
There's a ton of space down here. You should try.
Yo, you guys gotta move
That up because we might have to get it.
cave, bro.
Should I go head first?
Oh no.
Fighting in the cave.
Okay.
I know
It's kind of a core workout.
talking about.
Oh.
Well, you know what? Abs are great.
Remember, y'all, if Maeve can do it, we can do it.
Okay. Stop calling that.
where are we going?
I don't fucking know. What's wrong with
This
them?
Cyrus.
A little bit tighter.
Oh.
Oh, nah, I ain't doing this.
Well, it's hurting.
Huh.
Hold up. Go back up. Go back up,
You
Ariel.
got this.
Stop fighting in the cave.
I'll be right behind you, girl. You can grab my foot if you need it.
Art? Oh, we gotta get out. Get out first. Can y'all like get out and fight?
You right.
Look at y'all. Look at
My butt
us.
hurt, bro.
Wait, I want to see how far Zara goes.
I'm pretty far. It gets a little tight, but like
Yeah, nah. Come on. Let's go.
I can keep going.
I'm in here.
She said it gets a little tight.
Be careful because one of them has a mad drop down.
Caillou.
Oh, I remember that.
Well, this one's not actually.
that kinda
I'm
hurt.
going back.
Okay. Hold on, guys. We coming back.
Wait, no, it doesn't have a drop
Someone's
down.
coming back, yo.
That's the one that drops down.
Go back.
Oh no, guys, I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap.
Down, bro.
I need to get out of here.
She said I'm gonna
That's
take a
it.
nap.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Okay, then move that way.
Bro, who you think I am?
Where are you guys?
Irritating.
Small thoughts, guys.
This is irritating.
Backward stroke out of here.
Remember his butt was gonna face the wall.
Yes.
Yo, I know they're gonna stink.
I clean myself on my Caillou, bro. Sorry for shade, Caillou, but we all know.
I'm crying.
No, wait, half the boys in the cabin use my cologne.
What?
Ew.
They all use my shit, bro.
Y'all all smell the same. Ew, what the heck?
That's what I'm
Y'all gotta
saying.
need some like
Variety.
variety.
I tell them not to use my shit. They only use mine.
Don't say that word.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your mouth, nigga? Oh.
I mean, I got that on camera. Call me a girl.
You calling me for saying shit? You said that.
So like, actually I'm getting out. Move quick.
What are we doing? Are we just like, oh.
I know.
Can I get out now, please?
Wait, you should have got out there.
No, I couldn't.
It was
Look, people-
cold, really
people
cold.
going up there smack
Like more
me.
cold
She
than
done smacked my butt again, bro.
Who?
I'm sorry. She's gonna kill me.
Oh no. I'll say she'll go. It's like that.
I'm sorry.
It's like that.
I'm gonna vibe, but I'm gonna go right here.
like if I had a smaller helmet.
You just blocking the entire game at that point.
Better
No, I'm not.
light on my hands.
Look at you.
Miguel, attack.
do it.
Attack.
Don't have that.
Penis come.
It's hot.
You can't say that. Autumn, stop. Autumn.
He's not. Yo, shut.
Peace come. But you can't say the full word.
Penile.
Peace come. Peace come.
Shut up.
Up. Peace up.
Come on, Peen. Come on, Peen.
You're like,
We're doing it on the bus side the entire time.
Ew, what the
they're
heck?
gonna
That
send.
got in my eye.
They're gonna send this clip to the camp.
No.
No, they could call. They're gonna contact. Yo, Jane's
If
gonna
they
call
have
my
night
mom.
vision, we might be cooked.
Boy.
Yeah, cause you keep hitting me.
I am.
And no, you hit her. You hit my girl.
We were fighting with each other.
Hold my hand.
Oh yeah, in the dark they were fighting.
Oh yeah, we're hands. Straight hands.
He's fighting or kissing.
I'm so
Bro,
sorry.
shut
I'm
up.
gonna break your fingers.
She got a whole ass man, bro. She told you that like 5 times.
I'm sorry.
Like I can name drop you for a while. What the heck?
Oh, we already
You don't
been
know.
We've been heard of full
You're full
government name. We've been heard of full government.
So guys, you guys want to like keep going or having a tea party?
I kind of want to have a tea party.
I kind of want to flip. That's like, I don't want to do. I want to get back because my head can go up more.
I'm comfortable.
It is not comfortable.
Oh, Zart, cause you want. Hey.
Hey, we're
Wait,
having,
shift your body.
we're having a tea party. You want to join?
Come all the way over. All the way over.
Hi.
There's. I'll make
It's
some.
looking
food.
really comfy.
And then back up. Some.
I'll stay here.
I know.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
It's a bug. Ew.
Hi, and I'm here.
It's a bug.
Yo, who's trying to rage bait tonight?
Yo, there's a bug.
Yo, whose bed we gonna go? Whose bed we gonna go tonight?
Oh, wait, you guys do that. You guys go in each other's beds too?
There's 10 of them in my bed last night, and then B opened the freaking curtain, and she's like, oh, y'all have like 5 minutes to finish your story.
There's 12 people in the cabin and 10
of us
in the
were in
bed.
Oh, no, we do the same thing. Don't hold. Not hold.
Like, what y'all doing?
Yeah, what do y'all do?
What are you doing?
Yo, they be having a circle.
I have blankets all over my bed, so
Yo,
we're like,
Isaiah, wait, me up. Isaiah and Tyler, bro, I can't even say what they were doing the
Bro,
first day.
me and
bro.
Isaiah, so I've known Isaiah since for like a while, and because he's Christian's friend, Christian's also my friend.
oh, look, he's spilling tea, guys.
And then every year, every time Christian took him to a football game, I would beat the fart out of him. Cause I hate Isaiah. I don't hate him, but we got
We
beef.
dislike Isaiah.
I dislike him.
Anyway, guys.
And a lot of Christians
Oh,
have
wait, so Isaiah went into his bed the first day. Tyler,
except for
Make us
him.
the thumbnail.
No,
Alan, make us the thumbnail. No, he can be in. It's okay.
That's kind of
Wait,
sad.
oh, wait, no, Isaiah's in his bed.
Alan, make
Tyler jumps in and starts humping his
Zara
back, bro.
struggling.
Oh, God. Like, full hit action.
You're Aaron out there
does
tea to
what?
everyone.
Oh, I forgot.
He does what?
I'm eating
Stop
this right
hitting.
now. Like,
Wait, he does what?
Who's
Nothing.
coming? Who's that?
Why are we doing a tea party
Just
with
like
this
repeat it
GoPro?
later.
This was all a joke, all made up, by the way.
That's all. No, actually, no. I would say what I said. You'll hear me.
I made this all up.
Are you coming in?
Yeah, I'm in a tea party.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
You're
I'm
invited.
Loki. I'm getting claustrophobic. Let me get the heck out.
I've been trying to get out for a hot minute. They just called me the entrance.
Okay, all right, take your time. Whoever's the closest to the entrance, get out first.
Go, me.
That's the exit.
Entrance up.
That's the exit and the entrance.
With that or that?
It's the entrance. It's the entrance.
I'm hurting you,
I'm
man.
going to hurt you guys.
I'm going that way. I don't know about y'all.
Who you gonna hurt?
You.
I'm not her, man.
You are her man.
The X-Man.
Okay, maybe you go next.
Okay. So we out flirting earlier.
I was going to kill him.
She was trying to hit me and she hurt my
Instead
head.
of the double L's, it's the SS.
I'm gonna get you in the cream, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay.
Instead of remove the L's and
No,
put
we
two
should come
S's.
here again.
Kill you.
In here?
Yeah.
We're just gonna come back.
You guys can go, bro. I'm gonna take a nap.
It's all you want.
You were the one that wanted to get out.
Nah, I'm chilling now. Now that they're going. What is that?
I can't see, guys.
Yes, he was here.
You hear what I said about Isaiah? Good.
Was it out of there? Just like last night when we were all in.
Yo, so babe.
You all in me.
You got it. You got it, babe.
Call it out.
So what do you think?
Was it hot in there like last night in your bed?
Looky a little bit. Okay, Alan.
Hi.
Unique experience.
Why do you bring white socks?
Because all I brought was white socks.
We did everything.
I thought it was cuffed. I thought these pants were cuffed. I forgot they were.
Right.
I like it.
Hold on.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God, sorry, you stink.
How much time do we have left?
I don't know. That's up to.
Can someone check their phone and see how much time we have left?
I would, but
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, that's just a amount of time. Wait, can you see my breath?
Get over here. We're waiting for one more person. We'll take
Yeah, he's right over there. You see his light?
are we all in?
Oh, Gibby, your man's calling you.
He's a little slow. don't worry.
Gibby.
Gibby, your man's calling you.
Oh.
Who?
See, he's coming straight for his hands.
We all know dang well who. I almost said another word.
Autumn and Gibby, and then
Guys, I'm pure trained.
I'm gonna do 3 ways.
Even if they keep going.
Sorry, Autumn.
Hear us.
I'll say sure. You leave
That's
us.
all you. That's you too.
I'll say sure. You leave us.
Oh.
What do you mean? You're leaving us.
I'm trolling, bro.
Move down. Just go. Just go first. Yeah.
Bro, you should see what I do at sleepovers, bro.
What?
no, boys
Okay, Alan's gonna lead us, so we're gonna follow wherever.
We're leaving. We're leaving.
We're leaving now?
I think so.
Oh my God.
I was having fun.
Having fun at tight spaces.
I had fun, but I'm ready to go.
Exactly.
I'm ready to leave.
Wait, we're just going back the same way I just came from.
I know.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm leaving. My ride's here. I'm ready to go.
My car's here. My car's here.
Alopecia gonna punch me again.
Sorry,
bro.
let me go with my friend. Let me go with my buddy. This is my buddy,
I'm gonna
bro.
punch you back in the car.
What?
Okay.
Yo, we should play punch.
Go, buddy, go.
We see a certain color how we punch each other.
No.
I'm not looking at I didn't actually try to kick it.
No.
She gonna kill me.
Kishi. Miguel. Go.
Yeah, Miguel.
Go, Miguel.
You gotta go.
Excuse me, I'm going with my partner.
I'll set you up with Caillou, bro.
No, ew.
Why not?
Ow.
Oh yeah, and this science can give me the Caillou, bro.
I got it.
Bad chips.
Back in the day.
bro.
Guys, Maeve can't see.
Yo, wait for me.
You got it? Ow. Sorry, GoPro.
You look at my top of this, guys. I've been a big.
Alan should not trust me with his GoPro. Sorry, Alan.
Oh my God. We're 4 now. We're 5 now. We're 6 now.
7.
Are you like a self-owned company?
Cell phone?
Self-owned.
No.
Wait.
Do you stuff? Do you stuff?
You got it.
What's that?
Do you start to do this?
Wait.
Do I
Can I
like?
push everybody?
Here.
Do this? Just
Do I like to do this?
can you just do it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm not
Yeah,
Like, do you take a paper and like map out?
I've got a.
Can I make that?
I belong to a
Oh, I
club
know.
that
Move your head.
does this all over the United States. Actually,
Oh,
I'm gonna
it's not a good idea. I was a little scared.
I got you.
I was a little bit scared.
What are you usually?
All right, I think we got most people.
Let me shoot it.
There's just how many?
I'm gonna cut the ball tomorrow.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You do know. Don't fall down again, okay?
I almost fell. I jumped up here and I almost slipped.
Yeah.
Oh,
You see that?
Easy.
Abuse is not nice.
abusive.
They're actually really friendly in our book.
Hey, Mike.
Yeah. Get up a little bit, son.
They might come out from this way or from behind you.
Art?
Should I wait for them?
Yo, low key. Alright, hang on real quick.
Alan? Yeah, or holler for them. Okay. All right.
Look at this teamwork.
I know.
I'm doing that.
Teamwork.
Enemies to lovers.
My fingers feel dirty. Just go first.
Wash them when we leave your water bottle when we get out.
I'm running for that water bottle. Oh my god, I'm parched.
Okay, you know what? My partner's just leaving me. I'm choking now. Can't catch up.
I'm so out of breath.
One at a time.
I'm looking just tired. Like my muscles are sore.
Wait, Kai, you left me.
Like my muscles are shaking. I'm shaking in my
You
boots.
did great work today, I'm not gonna lie.
Huh?
You did great work today.
Thanks. You too.
What? There's some straight cheeks in my
We're lucky. Oh, hello. We're lucky cooking.
Yo.
I like the cave and do it.
Move those sheets.
Guys, I'm a real caver.
Let's see where you guys are going.
I'm gonna make a heart in the clay.
Guys, I was a little nervy at first, but now I'm chilling.
I feel like the deeper we go, the easier they get.
Like not easier, but the more confident people get.
Yeah.
Ow. Sorry, GoPro.
She is a master. Don't pull. Why she just pull?
Yo, GoPro, this is kind of hard.
If I didn't have it going on, I would have my head would be twisted.
Yeah, real. Like I would not have the head still if I didn't have this helmet.
I feel like we would have been dead.
I feel like I'd have more room if I didn't have this GoPro on. No shade, GoPro.
Yeah. That was last
Goodness gracious. Me and this GoPro become like best friends, guys. Trust.
Are we ready?
We're always ready. What'd you say about my GoPro?
No, what are they saying back there?
I can't.
I don't know.
Oh my god. They said they want to see Cyrus' butt.
What?
What?
I know. It's bad.
No, thank you.
Cyrus' video about to get blurred. Cyrus,
How did the other get blurred out, bro?
Yo, it's
Are we almost back?
here that it's gonna get blurred, bro.
Why don't you ever call me that?
Where's the heart? Where's the heart, huh?
Are we? I feel like we're almost back.
Pom-pom hair, girl.
Bring me there. Who was that?
That photo. I didn't photo. I slip.
Bring me there. I want to go there. I want to be there.
Slip not
Oh
full.
my god, it's a gnat.
Slip not full. Just
Slip and fall?
Why does Nat want to live in a cave? Like, get out.
Gnats are so annoying.
Like, get a job. This is jobless behavior.
I didn't get in there.
The most jobless insect ever.
Real.
Whenever I remember I don't have a job, I feel like a gnat.
Funny.
That's my motivation. Whenever I don't feel like getting a job, I'm just gonna be like, remember gnats.
I'm just gonna be like, zzz. I don't want a job. Zzz. Like what?
I don't have any money.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.